What's going on, everyone? I'm back here with another video, and today I have another used iPhone unboxing. So today I'm going to be unboxing a used iPhone 6s that again I picked up off of eBay. So it's pretty obvious of what company I bought this from. It's from a company and or seller rather called Declutter, and basically this is a reseller of used iOS and or Android devices. Basically, they buy a phone from somebody and then resell it to make a little bit of profit. So basically, that's what this is. But anyway, that's where I bought it from, and I bought it for $190 with free shipping and no tax, which was really nice. Not a terribly bad deal. And also the storage capacity is 32 gigabyte, and it is also the rose gold color. So let's go ahead and open this up here and see exactly what we got going on in here. So firstly, as of course, it did indeed come with a brand new lightning cable for charging. So it's really nice that it did indeed come with one of those. You can never have too many of these. Then we have just a little pamphlet talking a little bit more about the company. And then there's the phone right there at the bottom. Okay, so there's the phone. From first impressions, again, it does appear that it's got a little bit of smudges and things on it. If we shine it in the light here, yeah, I definitely am going to have to clean it. But scratch-wise, it does not appear that the screen is really all that scratched. Let me grab a cloth here, actually, and see if we can't wipe this down a little bit. And just get a better idea of the scratches we're dealing with here. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay. Yeah, you know, there is very, very little scratching. I'm really, really impressed, again, with this. Considering the age of this phone, the screen is in really good shape. Whoever owned this previously must have had a screen protector on it. They had to have, if the to have the screen in this good of condition. Okay, so let's take a look at the back here. Okay, so there are definitely a little bit of scratches on the back. The aluminum itself doesn't seem too bad, but the Apple logo is pretty heavily scratched, as you can see there. Okay, and then the camera here. It looks like the lens is okay, but the metal around it looks to have a bit of scuffing. But that's not really an issue. It doesn't affect functionality. Then we have the buttons and everything. There's the bottom. And, ooh, we do have a little bit of a dent right here. It does appear that this phone has been dropped at some point within its life, judging from the dent right there on that corner. And due to that dent, it does actually appear that the screen is slightly lifting up from the rest of the phone. So as you can see right there, it does appear that the phone, or excuse me, the screen is kind of raising up above the frame. That's not actually, that's not really good. As long as that doesn't really affect functionality of the phone and there's no adverse effects from it, I'm not going to worry too much about that. But yeah, other than that, the rest of the phone seems to be in pretty good shape considering that price. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see if we got a charge here. Okay, good. We do have a battery charge. All right, so there we go. It does appear to have a bit of a charge, which is good. What does seem to be a little bit interesting to me is that it doesn't look like it was previously restored, or if they did restore it, someone initially set it up but didn't load any data onto it. So I'm going to have to investigate that a little further. It does not appear that damaged spot down here on the corner is affecting the actual screen itself, so that is good. So yeah, it does appear that the touch digitizer is working, so that's really good. Let's go ahead and unlock it. And it does look like it's stock. I don't think it looks like there's anybody's data on here. Let's go into settings really fast. Okay, we have a software update we have to do. Let's go back. Okay, so there's no Apple ID associated, because if there were, there could potentially be an iCloud lock that could happen at some point. But anyway, that's good that that's not there. Anyway, let's go ahead and go into About. Okay, so right now it looks like we're running iOS 12.1.2, and this is indeed the 32 gigabyte model, so that's good. So I probably will end up restoring this myself, just to be on the safe side, just to make sure that everything is wiped clean and it is updated to the latest firmware. Yeah, so make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It's greatly appreciated. Hit that thumbs up button as well. That is also really greatly appreciated. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or anything like that, just drop those down below and I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. With that all being said, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.